Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I actually did a muffler and a resonator delete on my 2023 F-150 with the 5-liter V8. That's the opening right there. And then the muffler right here, and then the tailpipes right there. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Alright guys, well, it's actually the next day, but it's actually the evening, so it's basically 24 hours later. And unfortunately, I ended up just putting the exhaust system back on it. The spare tire is actually in the tailgate right now because I needed room to put these tailpipes back on. And the reason as to why that I ended up just putting it back to stock is because it's just, unfortunately, the truck was way too loud with it, you know, having no muffler and no resonator on it either. Now I know that my dad's truck, I know my latest video, I think it is the one where, you know, my dad's truck, you know, it had the muffler, you know, separated, but the thing is the resonator was still on there. So that kind of proves that, you know, the resonator actually holds a lot of sound. So what that brings my conclusion to is that if you own a 5.0 F-150 and you want to get a really good bang for your buck sound out of it, you know, definitely only just do a muffler delete, but do not touch the resonator, because the thing is, you know, the resonator, it gets way too drony. And like I said, that's why I actually put it back on right away, because, you know, it was just way too loud. I could not handle it for the life of me. So, and, you know, I do apologize big time if this wasn't the kind of video that you were expecting, like if it was not as much as what you were expecting, but unfortunately that's all I could really do. So unfortunately it's, you know, back to stock, which those of you that are new to the channel and haven't even heard the truck stock yet, here's what it sounds like. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, it actually still sounds pretty good, but, you know, I just thought maybe it would sound a lot better without the exhaust. But I was so naive and I thought wrong. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.